Using ChatGPT for content creation. ChatGPT is a powerful language generation model that can be used for a wide range of content creation tasks, from writing articles and stories to composing music and even coding. One of the most significant benefits of using ChatGPT is the ability to monetize your skills and make money through content creation. To get started, you will need to have a basic understanding of how ChatGPT works and how to use it. There are several tutorials and resources available online that can help you get up to speed quickly. Once you have a basic understanding, you can begin to explore the different ways to monetize your skills. One way to make money with ChatGPT is to offer your services as a freelance writer or content creator. You can use the model to generate high-quality content for websites, blogs, and even books. Another way to monetize your skills is to create and sell your own digital products, such as e-books or courses. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it for affiliate marketing. You can generate high-quality product reviews and promote affiliate products through your content. Overall, there are many ways to make money with ChatGPT, and the key is to find the right fit for you and your skills. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn your passion for writing and content creation into a profitable business. Link in bio.